hairdresser looked at me right now, they're like, you need to fix that. Quarantine just really did it. Like, look at this. I can go like that and it's purely my roots. So hopefully we're not gonna have really bad bands going on, but yeah, we're just gonna get into it. I just wanted to, you know, sit in front of the window and really show you before we get into the bathroom. We have got all the essentials locked and loaded. Obviously always use gloves if you're gonna do bleach or anything, because it's just not fun when you get bleach on your skin. And then tinfoil, you'll see what I use this for if you haven't watched my videos before. And then the clips to put the tinfoil together, obviously Real Housewives, because bleaching can be really long. And then this is what I got from Sally's. So I always get the Salon Care Prisms Light in violet. They do have a blue one, but the blue one is for more like if you're going from black to blonde, because it cancels out more of like the orangey tones. And then the violet is more for yellow. And then we have, what else did I get? Oh yeah, I actually got some 30 volume because I did run out. I have used 40 on my roots before. I don't know, I kind of switch on and off depending on how damaged my hair is. Usually when I go to the salon, they actually do 40 on me, but for now we're gonna do 30. And then I did pick up some like 20 volume and 10 volume because I don't know if I'm gonna have to tone my hair or any of that. So I have some of the neon pink. I love this brand. This is a new brand that I tried. If you saw my last video, it just smells really good. And then I also have it in pink. I got the neon pink because they ran out of the pink. And then of course my favorite brand, which is the Argan Oil, and this is in neon purple. Again, don't know if I'm gonna use this online on Sally's. Literally every single color is sold out, so I'm really irritated because I can't go into an actual Sally's. And then we have this light intense blonde toner that I actually used on James a while back when I bleached his hair. And then obviously we have, you know, our tub. So the lighting in my bathroom is never really nice to me when it comes to like showing the hair color, but I obviously just want to show you like the full length and everything and the current state of my hair. So keep in mind, of course, it is greasy, and I did want to show you, of course, all of the bands that we have going on in my hair from when I just completely ruined it by putting the blue over. It's not like super dry. I mean, I have been actually cutting it every like 3 weeks. I just chop it like this so it's a little bit more blunt. So I'm getting rid of like my really dead hair from when I went blonde to black and then back to blonde. So a lot of that hair is actually already gone, so it's a lot more healthier. It does look dry because again, I haven't washed my hair, haven't styled it. It looks like crap. I always section my hair off half and half, and I cover the other half with actually tin foil. It's gonna be really loud. I bleach my hair one side and then I rinse it out, and then I do the other side because I find that this is a lot less damaging on my hair because I bleach my hair really slowly. So I don't want to like bleach one side and then by the time I get to the other side, my hair is just completely fried and it's time to, you know, take it out, and then that's when like a bunch of unevenness happens. So I always like to section it off. You could also do like the top head, like the top part, and then bleach the bottom half. Like you don't have to do half and half, you can do top bottom, but I just find that this way is a lot easier for me and it always comes out more even. Like the underneath is usually just as blonde as on top. Totally fine if like a little bit is peeking out. I just do it so again when I go like this, it's not like if I do have bleach like right here, it's not touching and making it really splotchy on the other side. If you put like a mirror behind you, I've seen people do that, bleaching their hair just so you can really get the back, but I just stand behind and like paint it that way. So if you do have a handheld mirror, it is nice. I'm probably gonna use half of this. It's hard to say because I do have a lot more roots to cover now. Again, not a hairdresser, okay? Do not go off like the ratio that I'm doing. Just follow the box and the instructions. I just look for it not being like super runny or super goopy. As you can see, it's just kind of running like that. don't know how well you can see it, but it does have a yellow cast, like a very big yellow cast, much more than usual, but it's fine because usually after I'll go over it with bleach. I mean, you'll see. I did leave the bleach on probably like a total of 40-ish minutes, that counting like me also doing the bleach. And it was probably like, again, 40 minutes. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead, do the other side, and then I will show you what we will do after. I kind of want to bleach wash my hair, which is something I have literally never done. And I found this video, I'm gonna link it down below. 1 teaspoon of conditioner is what she said, which is like 5 grams. That's what it converts to. So we're gonna do that in a little, oh my god, I just got that all over the ground. 2 teaspoons of shampoo, or 10 grams. 15 grams of water, so I think that's like 3 teaspoons. 40 grams of bleach, which I think is 8 teaspoons. 40 grams of 20 developer. She says you can use 10, but it will, like, I feel like that's if your hair is like really damaged. I'm gonna apply it on wet hair. The way that she's doing it is literally how you're gonna color correct it. So you want to apply it very evenly, do the darkest parts first, and then obviously then you do like the lightest. So in this case for me, I would do like this bottom part and then go to the top. I'm probably not even gonna touch this area. I'm just gonna dust it on, so I'm not really gonna do it evenly. I am literally gonna take gloves and I'm just gonna run through it like this because my hair is wet. And again, I'm not trying to completely take the color out. I'm just trying to pretty much lighten it. I'm gonna kind of watch it. As soon as I see it really changing color, I'm gonna hop in the shower and then we will see the finished result. So much of the color got stripped and my hair still feels pretty healthy. Like, even though it's dry, keep in mind I shampooed it like 7 times and haven't conditioned it, but it's still like, when I go like this, it still feels like a lot of hair. It doesn't feel like really straw-like. Last time I did one of these, it was not enough for my hair, so I'm gonna use all of the pink and then use just like a tiny bit of the neon, or we might do both of these together. I'm not really sure. This is the pink, and as you can see, it's a lot more brighter than my hair. Obviously, like, this is like neon, okay, and this does stick like neon. Now we're gonna see how the neon pink looks like. I just want to show you the difference. Look at that. That is this literally the same color, but I'm not even gonna hate on this brand. I love this smell. Like, this stuff smells like fruit punch, and this does have, I'm pretty sure, yeah, coconut oil and quinoa protein in it. So I really like that because, as you guys know, the one and only argan oil is infused with a ton of argan oil, so it always makes my hair really like soft and shiny. So I like that this one has coconut oil. I put you guys in front of the window just so I could try to get the color as natural in lighting as possible. Now, as you can see, right now we have like still some bands left, like right here and right here, and honestly it only looks like that when I straighten my hair. 9 times out of 10 I never wear my hair straight. If I curl it and do waves, you can't tell. It just looks like I purposely did that, kind of like highlights, and it's nowhere near as bad as it was the last time I dyed it. So doing that whole bleach wash definitely, I feel like, helped my hair a lot. I don't have extensions in right now because my hair is pretty, it's like okay, as you can see, it's like to here, and I did actually chop off some with scissors, about that much, after I like came out of the shower and did all of that. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm really excited to see how this, just always in my videos, I swear, every time I turn the camera on, she's always meowing. It's only when I turn the camera on, and now she's kneading. But oh my god, I didn't even show you my roots. Okay, so this is how my roots are. Don't really have anything else to say except if you do your hair, go to a hairdresser, but since it's quarantine, watch Brad Mondo. Or I feel like a lot of hairdressers might be doing like tips and tricks on their Instagrams or even YouTubes. Definitely do not copy anything I do, okay? I'm not a hairdresser. I don't want you guys to mess up your hair just because it's quarantine. So definitely, if you do decide to do your hair, YouTube like a hairdresser and how they do their stuff, okay? Because you will get a lot out of it versus copying me, because as we can see, this is not ideal. I mean, you can see how far down it's already gone. Like, it's so much more nicely even blend from the last video. There was like a lot of, it was like right here, and now it's only going down the more I bleach it. So we're good. I guess that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.